Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Valorant Vanguard not initialized error. First, press the Windows key, type Services, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find the service named VGC. Right-click it and open Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply. If the service is not running, click Start. After that, close everything and restart your computer. Once your PC turns back on, open Valorant again and check if the issue is resolved. If the error still appears, you may need to reinstall Riot Vanguard. Open the Start menu and search for Add or Remove Programs. Open it and look for Riot Vanguard in the list of installed apps. Click the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. After it is removed, open the Riot client and launch Valorant again. The game will automatically detect the missing anti-cheat and begin reinstalling it. Wait for the process to complete. Another important step is to make sure you launch Valorant and the Riot client with administrator rights. Right-click the Riot client icon and open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Repeat the same steps with the Valorant shortcut as well. Restart your PC again and launch Valorant to confirm everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.